Silent night, I only have one wish for the shooting star. Holy night, send me someone to love so I can hold their hand while we're ice skating round the trees in Central Park. Kiss them under the mistletoe. Oh, I want a Christmas kind of spark. Santa Claus, do you know Cupid sent his arrow straight to...
Hey guys, we are super excited to show you Fritter today. We finally have her ready for Christmas, and it's pretty cool. She's come a long way since 1999, but we're excited to walk you through today. So, without further ado, let's get crack-a-lackin'.
So does love. Send me someone I can talk to. We'll share stories of our childhood, memories of Christmas past. Chestnuts on an open fire.
Hey, Merry Christmas everybody! We just thought we'd hop on here real quick and show you how we have decorated our RV for Christmas time to make it cozy for traveling at the holidays. So should we start in the kitchen?
Yeah, let's start in the kitchen.
Okay, we have some Christmas tree Pyrex little mugs, so when we want a little coffee or hot tea or hot chocolate, they're ready to go. You can see we've got some candles. Actually, I'm going to turn this on right now. Once you turn them on, they stay on for 6 hours. And then they go off.
I think, so you're saying the key to holiday decorations in an RV is a lot of battery-powered lights.
Yes, absolutely. So I'm going to turn a few more on. I think it gives it just kind of a cozy atmosphere.
And let me ask you this, can you ever have too many?
No, 100% no.
Okay, I didn't know that.
Yes, no. And you know, whatever's important to you, but we like the battery-operated candles. And definitely you need some tea bags. So we got some tea bags right there. Okay, and lamps. I think lamps make an RV very cozy, don't you, Dirk?
I do.
Okay, and then we've got a Christmas tree runner that we put out, just little pops of red because we love red. And
it's Christmas, so you've got to have red.
Yeah, yeah. And then a real great thing and an easy way to decorate RVs is if you happen to have little curtain rods in yours, we just buy these little garlands. You can buy them anywhere. I think this was from Hobby Lobby if you like it. And then, again, you want to keep everything lightweight. So these are just the lightest of weight little wreaths that I got a couple years ago, and those work real well. Even when you're driving down the road, they don't seem to bounce around too much. Painting the camper white made all the colors that you use for decorations kind of come to life. So definitely. Little Christmas pillows always add a little touch of Christmas, so that's always fun. And then Christmas blankets. We throw Christmas blankets wherever we can.
Especially when you have old seats.
Exactly.
Christmas blankets work.
When you don't have the time or money to recover your seats, throw a Christmas blanket on it and it's all good. It's my little Christmas rug. My vintage one I found at a store this summer. I thought it would be perfect for the RV. And
there is no shortage of rugs at the Miracle House.
I love rugs. So, all right, come back through the hallway.
Okay.
We've got a little wreath. More, you can scan into the bathroom if you want.
Again, more battery-powered Christmas lights.
Absolutely. More garland.
More garland.
Yes.
Because showers are always so pretty that, I just hate to, make it look so bad with that pretty garland.
Real quick, more battery-powered little lights.
Got it.
Votives. This is our pantry area. I don't know if we've ever showed that. And bread baskets.
Yes.
Little wreath. Oh, I forgot to turn on these little trees. These are kind of fun. These are like little LEDs.
See, that's what happens when you have so many battery-powered lights. You just don't get them all.
I know. So those are kind of fun. They cycle through all the colors.
Oh my goodness.
I know. And you can't help but have a little buffalo check at Christmas time.
Exactly.
I like little buffalo check all year round, but definitely at Christmas time. And these little trees, these little birch trees are so fun. And those are, once again, battery operated.
Of course. But the cool thing is too, don't they automatically shut off after so much, so they save your batteries? They
do. They have a 6-hour run time, and then they just kind of go off, so you can turn them on and then not worry about them.
Which is nice if you have kids, because then that way you have the night light and you don't have to turn the light off.
Exactly. Our kids love having those in the bedrooms to go to sleep at night. So I don't know if you want to scan in here. It's kind of tight for both of us, but you can see.
Yeah, not too much on the Christmassy stuff in here.
More garland. Did you show the garland?
Let's see.
Another reindeer.
Oh yes, more garland.
Yeah, more garland.
I think those are cool. I think that's something that's just within the last couple of years hit really big, right? That's also at Hobby Lobby?
couldn't tell you where I got that one. I don't remember. Maybe TJ Maxx. Could
Okay.
be TJ Maxx. I can't remember.
TJ to the max.
Yes. Okay, so that's the quick tour. Put some garland around our message board. You see so this is what we use as a message board, so if anything we need to clip up here. And these are, if you notice, these are the Nutcracker. We've got the Mouse King.
Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, and the ballerinas. Those are kind of fun. Oh, we got another one that's not lit.
I tell you,
I know.
you're really falling down on the job here.
I am. This one might need a new battery. And
It's
you know
on.
what? We buy these, it just requires one little, so don't be intimidated. I bought all these at Hobby Lobby a couple years ago, and then I ordered the little batteries on Amazon. Show my little Christmas.
Oh my goodness, we have more Christmas.
How fun are these? With the little Christmas, the little green foil trees. I found those at Walmart.
Yeah?
I know. I thought you could use them if you wanted in a bathroom cup for water, or they could actually be disposable little espresso cups. That's what I actually bought them for, because we have a little machine. And then I painted these green. If you shop at Hobby Lobby, you know they have these, and they say grateful and thankful on them.
Because obviously we're not grateful or thankful,
No,
so we just want to paint over it.
I just thought it would be fun. This green color is Amsterdam green from Annie Sloan. And then I have kind of some fun colors of hand towels that we found at IKEA.
So festive.
So festive. I don't know. Oh wait, I did find some holiday plates too. Joy from Target. And then of course, because
Oh, more buffalo check.
Because I love buffalo check, why not?
So hey, Merry Christmas everybody.
Thanks so much for coming along on our Christmas RV tour, and we hope you have a wonderful holiday season.
We'll see you on the road.
Bye.
Bye.